So this video will show how to get an image out of a scanner as an ortho image that it's scaled and oriented to the real world, so you can use it in Map 360. So we'll open up Cyclone Core, or the older version of Cyclone. Then what we'll do is we'll configure a database, which is essentially just creating a new project. We'll pick the server here, which is not unshared, and you'll add a new project, and you pick here the database file name on the browse button. Where do you want to save this project? So I'm going to pick a folder on my computer, and I'm going to call it, in this case, image. Open, and hit OK, and that will close. Then I'm going to find the project that I created. In this case, is this image one. Right click and import an LGS file. So the LGS that you got after registering and publishing the LGS file from Register 360. I won't show this project because it's this step, because it's only a matter of finding where the file is and importing it. Nothing else to do. Once you have done it, you'll find the loaded project here, and you have to drill down to get to model spaces. And once you get to model space 1 and the view, then you right click and you open the view. So once you want to open the view, basic commands. So the world button will do a zoom extents. The mouse wheel in and out will zoom in and out. And then the right button, press and hold it, and it will pan around. To adjust the contrast of the image, what you have to do is go to Edit Object, Appearance, and Edit Global Color Map. You'll enable the gamma correction. It's a bit of trial and error, but play about to get the right balance of grays in your scene. So here I'm going to choose 0.65 and apply, and this will change it. Now I'm going to zoom in on my area of interest, because what you see on screen is exactly the area that you're going to get exported then to an image. And then before exporting to an image, you have to change to a top view and enable the orthographic mode, which is that button over there. Once that's been done, you go to File, Export, pick a folder to export, and then select Ortho Image. And I'm going to call this one Image, Enter. I'm going to call it Image 2 because I have a folder called Image there. Save, and I'm going to change the image size so it gives me a higher resolution image. And again, something that you can play with, but I'm going to go with 12,000 over 5,912. I have to keep the aspect ratio, so there's a constant maintains the ratio between the width and the length of the image. Is it okay? Okay, so that's done. Now we can open Map 360. I will create a new scene. I'm going to call it Image 2, for example. Next. To my model space, and then from the Import Export tab, I need to attach an image. Yes, open. And then I also need to use the positioning file, and then I will browse for it. The positioning file has the same name as the image, but as an extension that ends in TFW. So I'll open that and I will hit OK. Double click to zoom extents and your image is in, essentially. Okay, that's it.